If you know how to do short and long stitches, you can make a cat ear hat. The stitch is simple. It's suitable for beginners to learn. You need Lily Yarn Star Blue and 3.5 crochet hooks. Wrap the thread around your pinky and index fingers. Hold the thread with your thumb and middle finger. Hook the needle down and wrap the thread once. Make a knot. Don't count as a stitch. And crochet 29 braided stitches. Hook needle around the ring. The first braided stitch. Second braided stitch. The third braided stitch. The fourth braided stitch. After the 29th braid is completed, turn it to the side. The raised thread on the side is the inner mountain. Insert the hook into the second to last inner mountain. First, hook a short stitch. Hook needles through the lining. There are 2 braids in front. Hook the thread through. Hook the needle through the 2 loops. On the first short, hang a marker on it. Continue down. Works 1 short stitch per stitch. There are 27 short stitches in total. The 27th short stitch. Pick the last inner mountain and hook 3 short stitches. Next, pick the other side's V-shaped needle. One by one, hook short stitches. There are 26 short stitches in total. After the 26th short stitch is completed, in the last stitch, and crochet 2 short stitches. Is to add a short stitch. After the first round, there are 58 stitches. Remove the marker in the stitches of the markers to make a slip stitch connection, and 2 slip stitches as a standing stitch. Second round. First, in the stitches of the slip stitches, you'll crochet a long stitch. Hook the needle through the stitches. Pull the thread through, and pass the hook through the front 2 loops. Then pass the thread through the 2 back loops. In the first long stitches, mark the stitches with a marker. Continue to pick up the back stitches. One by one, hook long stitches. A total of 13 long stitches are needed. After hooking 13 long stitches, in the next stitch, crochet to long stitches. Add stitches. Also in the next stitch, and add 1 long stitch. Continue to crochet 1 by 1 for 14 long stitches. on the other side. Repeat the hooking method on this side. Complete the other side according to the diagram. The second round is done. Remove the marker in the stitches where the marker is and make a slip stitch. Tighten the loop and make 2 slip stitches as a standing stitch. Third round. Work 1 to 1 long stitches, a total of 12 long stitches. On the first long stitch, hang a marker on the stitch. The 12th long stitch. In the next stitch, and make a long stitch increase. In the next stitch, hook a long stitch. In the next 2 stitches. In the next 2 stitches, in the next stitch, and crochet a long stitch. In the next stitch, and a long stitch increase. Hooked in sequence. 1 by 1, hooked long stitches. A total of 13 long stitches. Repeat the previous method on the other side. Finish the rest. Finish the third round and connect it to the first stitch. Crochet 2 slip stitches as a standing stitch. Complete the 4th to 8th rounds according to the diagram. Work in the parentheses in the order given. To means repeating the stitches in the parentheses. Repeating twice. You need to draw loop every round. And make 2 braided stitches as a standing stitch. Finish the rest. After the first 8 rounds are completed, it looks like this. The back side looks like this. From the 9th to the 22nd round, work long stitches 1 by 1. There are 19 6 stitches in each round. Finish the 9th to 22nd rounds. This is the front. The look after completing the 22nd round and connected to the first stitch. And make a slip stitch to stand up. In the 23rd round, crochet a round of short stitches. A total of 96 short stitches. Finish the last reverse crochet short stitch and make a slip stitch. And connect the first stitch. Finish with a slip stitch. Hide the excess thread to the back. Tidy up and the cat ear hat is done.